Welcome to the certificate course on Microsoft Office conducted by Department of Commerce. I am Professor Nagratna. Your Microsoft Office course has been divided into three modules. First module will be on MS Word, which I will be handling. So let us start the course. Basically in this course we are going to learn about basics of MS Word. In this, we are going to see introduction, how to start the MS Word, the screen and its element. Then we are going to learn on creating a document using blank document and using templates which is already available in the MS Word, then writing or entering the text into the document, simple formatting of these text and changing of page layout, formatting of page layout, inserting pictures and graphs, tables and formatting of these we will be learning in the next segment. Next, we are going to learn on proofing and mailing. In this, we are going to see tips on spelling and grammar check, then track changes and mailing of documents. Along with this, we are also going to learn on Google Doc and simple shortcut keys which we will use in MS Word to make our work easy. Let's start the course by opening the MS Word 2016. So here I'm going to use updated version of Microsoft Word 2016. It depends, even you have 2013, 2010, 2007, so various version of MS Word is available, but the feature is similar, only slight differences you can see in this. If you are using 2010 or 2013, you can see a small changes, other than all the functions will be similar to your MS Word 2016. So let us start the MS Word. So I'm going to click on start button. There are different ways to start your MS Word. First I'm going to show the first way. I'm going to click on start button, then drag down from the program. You're going to select the MS Word. So here you can see the icon. If you click on this icon, MS Word will publish, or else you can go to this search button, search window, click on it, click on it, type Word. So you can see Word icon. The other option which you can use is, you can just, if you have any shortcut here, you can click on that and start the window, or else you can just do right click on the desktop, new, and do a Microsoft Word document. So here directly you can give name for your document. So I'm going to change, give as lesson 1, no, unit 1. Okay, so I'm going to double click on this document. I want to show you the opening page, so I'm going to start from here. Yeah, so if you see the introduction of MS Word, MS Word was a Word 2016 is a word processing application that allows you to create a variety of document including letters, resumes and more. In this lesson we will learn how to navigate the Word interface. So we have started with the Word, so, and to become familiar with some of its most important features such as ribbon, quick access, backstage view, we need to start the MS Word. So already we have opened the MS Word, and this MS Word 2016 is similar to Word 2013 and 10. If previously, the only difference is few features have been added in this particular version. For example, you can see this. If you click on new, come come down, you have this. When you click here, save, see, you can see this, choose location and OneDrive. This is the feature added in 2016. And tell me, what is the another new feature added in 2016? So before we get into the detail of MS Word, let us learn the elements of this particular screen. This is the launching page of MS Word. So here you can see blank document, ready-made templates, and these are the ready-made templates. Here everything will be available, the format, the alignment, everything will be ready. You just have to input the information to the document. Or if you want to start with a new document with your own design, you can use blank document. Then you have open option. Open option is used to open recently used documents. Say for example, recently used documents are chapter 1, MS Word, new office, all those info. If you want to know the details of the document, say the protection of the document, or if you want to inspect the document, the size, the property, word, all this information you can get it here. And if you want to save any document while working, so you can save this document. Whereas save as is used when you are saving for the first time. So save as, the name says, so you're going to save as what, you're going to give the name and the location here, and after that you can save the, after that if you do any modification you can use this save option. Then you can also use save as to save is in a different manner. Say for example, you want to save your document in a PDF form, you can use this option. Then print option is used to print the document. Here you can see the preview of the page, and you can choose the number of copies, then number of page, whether you want page number 1, page number 2, or entire document, whether you want to print one side or two side, you can use this. Then you can change the orientation of the page, size of the page, everything. Page setup you can do here, and you can, by clicking just on print icon, you can print your document. If you want to share your document or publish your document through online, you can use this share option. Export option is used to create or convert your PDF into a Word into any other format. You can use this export option. And more, you by using more option you can customize these options. These are the some of the important features of the this page. So let us get into the document. So I'm going to click on new blank document. So it is, when you see this doc, it is just a piece of paper. So I'm going to see, this is just a piece of paper. Here this portion is called as ribbon. Ribbon has various tabs and group of similar kind. See, when I click on home, you will get one group of command, and you can expand these commands, customize your command. Then if I click on layout, you will get a different group of commands. So these are the options available under ribbon. So this is called your quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is used to use very use to use the very often used action tool or the tool. Say for example, save will be used very often. Instead of going to file, click save, what I can do, just I can click on this button, my document will be saved. Next, if I want to undo or redo anything, say for example I'm typing here, I don't have redo button, so I'm going to add redo button. So I'm typing few letter words here. See, now by clicking this undo, it will delete the previously done one. So I want to get it back again, click on redo. So you can customize your toolbar. You can click on this small drop down icon and you can add, I want print preview here, or I don't want draw table here, you can remove it. And I want this quick quick access toolbar below my ribbon, I can use show below the ribbon, or if I want it in the above, I can click on show above the ribbon. Next is this icon will display of your ribbon, so you can hide your ribbon, you can show only the tabs, or you can show along with commands. So you can show along with command, you can customize your ribbon. Next is this is called status bar. So here you can see how many number of pages my document is having, and what are the how many words it is containing, all this will be given here. So say for example I'm just entering, going down, so I'm adding few pages. So I am in some page, so this is page 4 of page, and there are totally 4 page and I'm in the 4th page, and I'm going back, I'm stopping my cursor in the 3rd page. One second. So I'm going to type here, and now I'm placing my cursor in 3rd page, so it is showing I am in, there are 4 document and I am in the 3rd page of the document. Then here you can see the number of words, so even I'm going to add few more words, you can see this how the word is changing. So here you can see number of words used in this particular document and pages used in this particular document. This area is called working area. Okay, then this is called ruler. Here you can set the margin. If you double click on this ruler, you can set the margin. You can set it in the centimeter, you can change it to inches, you can customize the margin according to our requirement. Then this is called layout format. Here you have three variety of three category of page layout. So one is, this is called read mode layout. So when I click on this, you can see the pages, you can see it is wide and the letters are big. This view option is used to view the entire document in full screen. This is great for reading any large amount of text. If you're reading some thesis, you're reading some textbooks, so that time what you can do, you can use this option. So next option is this, that is print option, print layout. This is a default doc view. So whenever you open a MS Word document, you can see this page, it is a default document view in the Word. It shows what the documents look like on the printed page. So when you click on this, you can tell how your document will look when you get a hard copy, that is when you print your document, how exactly your document will look. So this view will give you the exact view of your document. Next comes web layout. So web layout, this view displays the document as a web page, okay, then which can be useful if you are using Word to publish, you're using this Word to publish any online content. So next, this is zoom option. Here you can zoom out and zoom in, you can do this option. These are the some of the basic elements which you need to know before starting with your, actually you start work with MS Word. Now let us see each tab and what and all it contains. So we saw what is file. You we know that we have new option, then open, you have info, save as, and print. We have various options under file. So we have one more option here. If you click here, more option, one second, say I want to save the document. Here you can see OneDrive. OneDrive, it is a new feature added in MS Word 2016. So OneDrive is Microsoft's online storage space that where we can use to save, edit, share our document and other files, and we can also access OneDrive from our computer, smartphone or any other devices. So once we start using MS account, if you log into MS Office account, you can easily access this OneDrive option. The benefits of this OneDrive option is you can access the file from any devices, even with the help of online. You can back up your files in the OneDrive, and you can also share your file to your coworker through the online. So this is the some of the benefit and the new feature added in this 2016. Next is, next, when you go to home option, here you can see various option relating to your text. So if you want to modify or add or do some changes to text of your document, you can use home option. You can, here you have variety of options. Say you under font you have style, bold, italic, colors, all these options you can see here. Under paragraphing you can, you have bullets, numbering, alignment, all these options are available here. These are called one group. So this is one group, and this few buttons, few groups will have this button where you can expand this option and use, customize according to your requirement. Then comes insert option. Here you can insert pictures, shapes, links, videos, comments, text box, symbols, equation, all these options are available under insert tab. You can insert page, table, everything you can use here. Then if you want to design your document, you can go for design option. Here you have various styles of designs available for your text. Themes are available for your text. Then you can give effects, spacing, watermark, color page you can change, and page border you can use. You can also apply page border by using design option. Then comes layout option. Whatever we saw here, same thing we are going to see here. Here you can change the layout of you, whether you need portrait mode or landscape. Margin you can align or you can customize, or you can use the default. You can change the size of the paper or column of the paper, breaking of the paper, numbering, then position of pictures, bringing back and forward. All these options are available here. This Next is reference. Whenever I'm writing any thesis or article, if I want to give references of my sources from where I have got those information, I want to give some citation, I want to give some bibliography, and I want to mention my table of content for my project. To all this I can use this reference tab. Then if I want to mail my document virtually, I can use this mailing option. Then we have review option, wherein you can review our spellings, grammars, word count. If there is any markups or changes done in the document, all these will be tracked. And if you want to protect your document, restrict your document, you can use this option, view option. So whatever we saw here, some of the options we can see here, like read mode, print mode, layout, then draft. You have zoom in, multiple page, one page, you can change the page breadth, all this. If you want to switch from one window to other window, you can use all these options. All this we will be learning in upcoming session in detail. Next, help. If you want any help, if you want any clarification, you can use this. You can contact, you can give feedback, or if you want a training on how to use this MS Word, you can use this. Or if you want to ask any question, you can click on help. So this tab will appear. The other new feature added in 2016 is this button. Say for example, I want to use page numbering for my document, but I don't know where to search from this tab. So what I do, I know what I want, but I don't know where it is. So what I will do, whatever I know, I will type here. I want to know where is insert page number. So I will just type page number. So it will give you the option of page numbering. So just click on that, your work is done. See here you have option. So these are the some of the basic functions, which is options or the commands or the action which is available in this particular document. Whenever you click on any text, or if you want to format the new, here you will get a format tab so that you can format that particular text. So with this we have learned some of basic features of MS Office. I hope you enjoyed this session, you learned few things on MS Word. We will meet up in the next session. Before that, I want to tell you one thing. After this session, please launch the MS Word. Whatever the version you have, all the versions are going to have a same function, except the outlook of the screen and the alignment of the menus will be different, but the same function you can find in all the version, except few like this search, OneDrive option, all except these few options you can find all other options in all other version. So open the document, try to insert text, try to save the document. See, this is called your title of the document. Here you can see the document name, and you can change this title of the document by saving, by giving your own document. Say if you want to save as a chapter 1, click on save as, and you can click on desktop. If you want to save it as a word, you can use this word, or if you want to use it as a PDF, you can click on PDF. Then you can give the name chapter 1. So go to this document. Since I have, so if I save it in the word, see, when I am saving for the first time, it will not see, it will not go to save, it will go to save as option. Desktop doc2, I'm going to save it as a doc2 save. And here you can see the changes of the document. This is called title of the document. These are the some of the features of MS Word. Launch the MS Word, try to use these options. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.